Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys don't miss on any of the profits that we make on regular basis. Okay, so now let us discuss the gold analysis for today, that what happened with us. Okay, so when we were discussing the gold market yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of short-term resistance and this area as an area of short-term support. And you guys can clearly see that market remained sideways unless it tested our area of resistance for the first time and closed below this area. So if we would take a short entry from here, we would hit our stop loss over here. So first trade would have hit our stop loss. But if you would have taken an other sell entry after this closing of candle, then we would have made a profit of approximately, let me take that trade for you guys. This would be our stop loss and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a 1.9% profit. So we would have more or less covered the previous stop loss. And afterward, you guys can clearly see that almost our area of support was tested over here and then market closed above our area of this zone. Then we could take a buy entry and we could make a small profit as well. So if you would take this position over here and we would take a yes, so our take profit will be this. So this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 0.8%. Okay, not bad but not really good as well. And then as you guys can clearly see that market gave us abnormal moves, so I would have preferred to stay out of the market as we would be having huge stop loss and huge profit taking take profits. So I would prefer to stay out of the market. And now I will be marking new areas of support and resistance for gold as well. Okay, so for that I would be having a look at the longer time frames, for example the 4 hour chart. Okay, in the 4 hour chart, you guys can see that the next area of support is this area, which is in the recent times, and it is about to be tested. And afterwards, do we have anything recent? No, then we have an area of resistance over here. Okay, so this, so so this will be the area of support till this and this area. Okay, so if I move the support zone a little bit down, so I think that this area of resistance is going to come first. Or rather I think this is the best point as this was the most recent area of support. And afterwards I think that this market is going to test it, something like this. And the next area of resistance will be in this zone. Yes, and now I'll mark the area of resistance, which will be something like this. Yes, so I hope that scenarios are pretty much clear to you guys. Now let us go back to the 1 hour chart. And now let me move this key a little bit ahead as well. And now let me move these scenarios for you guys. And if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section. And I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so something like this. So I hope that now it is quite the picture is quite clear. So just follow this given key and these scenarios, and I hope that you guys will be making good profits tomorrow as well. And meanwhile, just keep an eye out and always remember to do the risk management. Thank you. That's all for the today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.